I should have probably unboxed this, but I didn't. So this is a 3-piece lip. This is the front, and these are the 2 sides over there. And this is some of the hardware. I think that's all the hardware actually. Some screws and nuts and bolts, locking washers. I don't know what kind of steel this is or metal, but if those don't work, I have better ones. Here's the packaging. That's also pretty nice. It was all bubble wrapped, and then every piece was in this plastic. So, and it was well packaged. So, for the price, I don't think you can beat it. Now we'll just have to wait and see what it looks like on the car.
Everywhere I go, they bite my style. When I put on a show, they bite my style. See me on the screen, they bite my style. They wanna be like me. Cut up jeans, kicks are clean. Roll up to the spot, they say to me, give me some of that fire. Give me some of that fire. Give me some of that fire. You know I make the trends, like my style. You know I own the threads, like my style. You know I stack the bends, like my style. I've got designer friends. Cut up jeans, kicks are clean. Roll up to the spot, they say to me, give me some of that fire.